Hola amigos, hola amigas, welcome, bienvenido, Servisslimline, welcome. Let's fill the fridge with 2 more eggs, Kinder eggs, whatever these are, packs. Let's see what we're going to get today. Hopefully we will get a lot of new items. Let's have a look. So what we got in the first one, we've got, shut the door, we've got the note, the grocery list, which is new. Milk, I think that's new. We've got another pizza box. Let's get it open. Pepperoni. I can't remember if we've got the pepperoni. I'll leave that open. Oh, that's new. We got the fruit tray. I'm sure that's new. That is mac and cheese. Oh, that looks a little bit squished. There we go. Mac and cheese. That's definitely new. Broccoli florets. I think we might have that. This is the almond fudge ice cream. And let's take a look at the second one. Fridge magnet for the second pack, ABC. Yep, that's definitely new. Thick cut bacon. I think we might have that. Pretzel dogs. Don't get them in the UK. I've never seen them anyway, but yeah, that's new. Hey, we got another fruit tray. That's good. We've got some more Hershey syrup. And another bottle of water. And this one, I left it because it's quite big and chunky. I think this is one of the creating ones. Yes, it is. Let's see what we are creating with this one. Those are just wearing. Is that tiramisu? I think it's tiramisu. Yeah, tiramisu. Oh, wow, that's so cool. So we got a tiramisu to make. Okay, let's do some cooking. Let's take that off. So that's ready. Looks like kinetic sand. Right, let's take a look at the instructions. Number 1. Put that on the bottom. And then you put some of the syrup on it. Spread it around. Then put that one on it. And then you put more. And then put this on it. Looks like I've made mud pie, not tiramisu. I've made tiramisu mud. God, I'm rubbish at doing these. Okay, well, I've got a very good mushy kind of tiramisu mud. And then it says put it in the oven for 15 minutes. And then you put it... Hang on, let me get to clean up some of this. Okay, it's been in there for a good long while. Let's turn the light back to LED. Because I went in and I turned them upside down. So we have a very badly made tiramisu, because that's what it looks like, tiramisu. And I made another jelly thing in here, but that's not set. I made a tiramisu jelly. Yeah, I'll use the other LED light on that. But never mind, that was just something of a... Didn't want to waste it. Right, let's get the fridge sorted. Okay, so I got the fridge kind of sorted out because things fell out. I need to mark off on the list now everything that we can. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 new things, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 doubles. But again, doesn't matter. Right, let's get them placed in the fridge. So we've got the notepad, the grocery list, I mean, the ABCs, and I'll put this bacon in the freezer, pretzel dogs in the freezer, that can go in the freezer, ice cream, that can go in the freezer. We've got water on the shelf, but that's not going to fit in. Let me get my little tweezers, hang on. Okay, let's put a can of Coke in the shelf. Okay, so that is the fridge looking a little bit fuller. Would be nice to get some eggs to go in there, but it's definitely filling up a good bit. So let's close the door gently. And there we go. We have filled the fridge for today. There are still many items, so I've put my wish list together with a couple of these. So we will see how we get on in the next episode. But there we go. Fill my fridge by Mini Brands. See you in the next episode.